Of purchasing a house continues to grow. Economists are suggesting buyers slow down. Thanks for joining us. I'm Natalie Sapaila. News 9's Adriana Daniel joins us live in the studio with more on what may happen if the economy slides into a recession.
Indicator of a possible recession is a spike in energy prices, and we're currently seeing that. One expert says if the economy went into a recession, that might be a good time to purchase a house.
The supply of new housing is just not keeping up with demand.
Out of the last 6 recessions, the housing market took a large hit during the Great Recession.
The supply of new housing has never returned to pre-Great Recession levels,
leading to a lack of availability in affordable starter homes.
The developers that are building higher end homes because they're looking at they're essentially saying, look, I could build 4 starter homes and make a certain amount of money, or I could build 1 high-end home and make a lot more money.
Area realtors say while it is a seller's market, we aren't moving into a bubble burst here.
Prices are still high and there's still many buyers because it's a supply and demand, so it makes it competitive. I think we're going towards evening out a little bit, which I would like to see. It'll be a bit more of an even playing field.
I'm of the opinion that I think we're actually going to see housing prices come down just a little bit.
Mizgalski says there are 2 major differences between the market now and in the late 2000s: better lending practices and smarter buyers.
In different markets there might be a bubble, but here it's not. Here what I see is it's purely supply and demand. And the thing is that the buyers who are buying, I mean, they're qualified buyers, they're good. They have cash on hand even if they're using a mortgage.
But Deller says patience may be a buyer's best bet.
I was in the market to buy a house. I would probably sit tight for about a year and wait and see.
Deller said the Federal Reserve has signaled they will be raising interest rates slowly, but the brakes on inflation will impact borrowing limits. In studio, Adriana Daniel, News 9, WAOW.